Welcome to an easy step-by-step guide on how to show your profile photo to your contacts on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. First, open WhatsApp Web in your preferred browser and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, take a moment to look around the interface. You'll notice a gear icon that sits near the top of the left panel. That little gear is your gateway to deeper privacy controls. So go ahead and click it to open settings. Inside settings, you'll see several options, but today we're focusing on privacy. Click Privacy to reveal the suite of choices that govern what others can see about you. Among these options, you'll find Profile Photo. This is a setting that controls who can view your photo in chats and on your contact list. Now, when you click Profile Photo, you'll be presented with three choices: Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts Except. To ensure only people you've saved in your contacts can see your profile photo, choose My Contacts. This sets a clear boundary so strangers or unsaved numbers won't be able to view your image. If you ever decide to broaden or change this, you can return to the same privacy menu and switch to a different option. It's quick, simple, and gives you direct control over your presence on WhatsApp Web. Remember, these settings apply to WhatsApp Web on PC, but they mirror the privacy choices you've set on your mobile device, keeping your preferences consistent across platforms. To recap, open WhatsApp Web, click the gear icon to access settings, select privacy, tap profile photo, and choose My Contacts. That's all there is to it. Your profile photo will now be visible only to people you've saved in your contacts, enhancing your privacy while staying connected with the folks who matter.